Hello, I'm Coach Jimmy K with DENAS-painreliefstore.com. Today I'm going to show you the basic operations of the DiaDens PCM 3. This is the English version. So when you receive it, it'll have a manual that will have English, Russian, and German. So let's take a closer look at the unit. As you can see, we have buttons on the front here. This is the power button. Then the arrows up and down are for the intensity of the treatment. And then the arrows left and right is scrolling through the menu. The top right button is to take you to the main menu page, and the top left button is to go to the previous page. On the side here, you can see that we have a mini USB port, and what that's for is whenever you purchase attachments and accessories, they hook into the side right here, and you can see we have this black cord that has two like little pigtails on it. The reason for this is DeNAS has been around for years, and there's a lot of attachments and accessories that people purchased in the past that had RCA adapters on them, and that's how they hooked up to. And so moving on with modern times, they created this pigtail device with a USB port, but the newer items, the newer accessories will come with a USB plug. So I believe the DiaDens glasses and the Reflexo and also the applicators have a USB cable with them. We turn the device over and you can see the electrodes that emit the frequencies whenever you're doing DENAS-therapy. Then it uses two AA batteries, which are stored here. Depending upon how many treatments a day, whether you spend an hour or 2 hours, if you spend 2 hours a day using the device, you should get about a 2-month life cycle from the batteries. So let's turn the unit on, and we can see we have the menu here. The left is the med mode, the middle one is the settings, and then the far right one is a calendar. So looking at the calendar, you can see you can either set a clock on it or an alarm. We're going to go to the previous page, and we're going to scroll to the middle. These are pretty much basic presets from the factory, but you can change them by going into this menu mode and then changing the sound or economy. If you put it on economy, it pretty much will kill the backlighting so you can see. So it's pretty much hard to see. So what we have to do is come down to economy, hit that, and then turn the economy off, and then you can see the screen lights back up. You've got the med mode, or the therapy mode is the cross, and then the settings, and then the calendar. So if we go back to the therapy mode, you can see that the menu page will pull up, and you've got EX, which is Express Preset Therapy Modes. If we press that button, you can see that it already has programs in there for back pain, joint pain, head pain, and so forth. Let's go back. And then the TH is various frequencies, 10 hertz, 20 hertz, 60 hertz, on up to 200 hertz, and then they have a 77 AM and a 7710 program. Those are different frequencies, so if you know the frequency that you want to do therapy in, you can preset that. You can go and set it on 200 and then do your therapy mode. Once you press the 200, then you're going to turn it up to whatever strength or level of intensity that you'd like to have during your therapy. There you can see, we're going to go back to the main page again. You've got battery level here, the sound. This is the clock there. We haven't set the clock, or we don't have an alarm on it. So once again, you have your medical therapy, settings, and calendar. And that's pretty much the menu and basic operations. Our next video, we will show you the med mode and go through that more thorough. This is Coach Jimmy K saying have a healthy and blessed day. Goodbye.